Understand that every job isn't going to be that job. Reg, aka Network Savage. I got a question for y'all. What is something that you wish you knew that you know now before you got your current job, or maybe the job that you want? What is something that you want to know? What is something that you wish you knew? And what is something that you know now that next time it's not going to happen, or next time you're going to be more informed, or next time they ain't going to get you, or next time I'm going to negotiate better, or next time, this time, that time. What is that thing for you, man? I just wanted to really ask that question, because that is something that I think about, and that's something that I also think about for my future roles, because what I'm doing now is pretty solid, and I wish I knew a little bit more about the actual tasks that I will be doing. Just like a lot of jobs, sometimes you might be doing. I'm in traffic right now, so that's why I'm moving the groove, because sometimes this Durham to Raleigh traffic can be kind of weird, and people be driving, they be maneuvering in different lanes, kind of weird. So you got to stay on a swivel. But the other thing about the same question, about something that you wish you knew, or something that you know now, or something that you would like to implement in the future. Understand that every job isn't going to be that job. Some jobs can be career-like jobs, but they might not be your career-like job. It might be a job that you have for a season to get you where you need to go, because you need that experience so you can go higher. You dig what I'm saying? And let some light in. So you can get a little bit higher in your status when it comes to your social capital in whatever discipline or whatever type of vertical or industry that you work in. Sometimes you got to take a good 2 to 5, depending on if you like the job good enough, if it's going to get you to that next level. Now, granted, that next level, it could be in the C-suite, it could be executive, it could be a project manager. What are the things that you can utilize in the role that you're in now that get you to that next level? Only you know that. But once you kind of figure that out, you can actually take that and start, looking on job boards and just seeing what some of these jobs that you would like to explore, what their descriptions are talking about. And then if you could take your current skill set and the skill set that they're asking for, find a happy medium to where you're already doing that. And I'm saying, not to lie, I'm saying find a similar task that you already do that basically is reframed or reworded into what the job description is talking about. That's a gem right there. That's some game. Y'all better catch that. You better catch that.